In this video, we will go into detail, taking out the cherry and crocheting it again separately. Start with a slip knot. First, chain 16 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After completing 16 chain stitches, next we start crocheting the leaf. Insert the hook into the second chain from the hook. Make a single crochet. Then into the next stitch. Make a half double crochet. Then we continuously crochet 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Then, in the next stitch, make a half double crochet. Then in the next stitch, a single crochet. Then in the next stitch, a slip stitch. So we take this slip stitch as the center and crochet mirroring left and right. That is, a single crochet, half double crochet, 3 double crochets. Three. Then a half double crochet. And in the last stitch, a single crochet. So one half is done. Next, we make a chain stitch. And take this chain stitch as the center point. Then we also crochet mirroring left and right. Let's continue. Crochet mirroring stitch by stitch. A single crochet, half double crochet, three double crochets, then half double crochet, then a single crochet, then a slip stitch, then continue, single crochet, half double crochet, thank you. Then half double crochet. And finally a single crochet. Then slip stitch to the 2 loops of the first stitch. Cut the yarn. Okay, pull tight. So this is one piece. The leaf is done. Next, we weave in the yarn tail of the leaf. And trim the excess yarn. Next, we crochet the cherry stem. Start with a slip knot and chain 25 stitches, 3, 4, 5. After 25 chain stitches, we cut the yarn. Then we thread a yarn needle. Thread it through here. After threading through, we tie a knot. After tying the knot, we start crocheting the cherry. Make a magic ring. Then pull it tight. Next, we crochet 6 single crochets into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then pull the ring tight. Then, slip stitch to the 2 loops of the first stitch. In fact, then pull tight. So the first round is done. Next, we crochet the second round. First, chain 1 as a turning chain. Then, in the first stitch, crochet a single crochet increase. That is, crochet to single crochets. In every stitch, crochet a single crochet increase. Continue until all stitches are done. After finishing, slip stitch to the 2 loops of the first stitch. Then pull tight. So the second round is done. Next, crochet the third round. First, chain 1 as a turning chain. Then in the first stitch, crochet a single crochet. In the second stitch, crochet a single crochet increase. Then every 2 stitches from a group, following the pattern of 1 single crochet. The rule for a single crochet increase stitch. Keep crocheting. After finishing this, with the 2 loops of the first stitch, slip stitch, then pull tight. That completes the third round. Next, we crochet 2 rounds of single crochet without increases or decreases. First, chain 1 as a turning chain. Then, in each stitch, work only 1 single crochet. Crochet 2 rounds using this method. After finishing, slip stitch into the 2 loops of the first stitch. Pull tight, and that completes the 5th round. Next, we crochet the 6th round. Starting the 6th round, we begin decreasing. First, chain 1 as a turning chain. Then, work 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Work 1 incomplete single crochet in the second stitch. Then, in the third stitch, also work 1 incomplete single crochet. Then, yarn over. Pull through all 3 loops on the hook. That decreases 1 stitch. Then, we repeat the crocheting process we just did. 1 single crochet, 1 decrease. Keep crocheting like this. 1 single crochet, decrease. After finishing, with the 2 loops of the first stitch, slip stitch and pull tight. Then, I stuff a little bit of fibre fill inside. After stuffing, we continue crocheting the next round. First, chain 1 as a turning chain, then work an incomplete single crochet in the first stitch, an incomplete single crochet in the second stitch. Then pull through all at once. This way, we decrease 1 stitch for every 2 stitches. Repeat this. Crocheting, we need to decrease a total of 6 stitches. This is the last decrease. After finishing, with the 2 loops of the first stitch, slip stitch and pull tight. Then, leave about 15 centimeters and cut the yarn. Then pull the yarn out. Next, we find a yarn needle. Then, there are 6 stitches here. We pick up 1 loop from each stitch. Thread through once, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After threading through 6 times, then we take out the piece we just crocheted. This leaf. Then insert the stem of this leaf. The stem of the leaf into this cherry. Push it in through this opening. After pushing it in, we pull the red yarn tight. Then, we still need to stitch through the chain stitches to prevent it from being pulled out. Then, we can present it. Finally, cut off the excess yarn tail. And 1 cherry is connected. After both cherries are connected, then the whole piece is complete. Here, I also crocheted 1.